Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bet Plus on Apple TV step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV home screen. Use the search function to find the Bet Plus app. Once you locate the Bet Plus app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Get button to download the app. Wait for the download to complete, then open the Bet Plus app. When the app launches, you'll see a welcome screen. Select Sign in if you already have an account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account, select Sign up to create one. Follow the prompts to complete the sign up process. Once logged in, you may need to activate your subscription. Check for an activation code on the screen. Using another device, go to the Bet Plus activation website. Enter the activation code shown on your Apple TV. Follow the instructions provided on the website. After activation is successful, return to the Bet Plus app on your Apple TV. You should now have access to all the content available on Bet Plus. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.